Hey guys, this is a video tour of 1101 Cattle Drive Lane in Lusby. As you come into the house, it's a split foyer. Go up the stairs, you have a living space. Separated by a wall, you have your kitchen. The appliances seem like they are in very decent condition. You do have an exit to the backyard, although there is no deck, so you guys would have to build a deck. The yard is not flat, it is on a hill, but there is enough yard behind the house that you guys could build a deck. It is a gas range in the kitchen, which does have a propane tank in the backyard. Coming into the house, I did notice there were septic taps, so there is access to the septic in the front yard. This is the upstairs hallway bathroom. You have a linen closet right outside, and then across you have a big coat closet. Down the hallway, you have two more storage closets, another linen closet, and another coat closet. Attic access right in the hallway. To your left, you have the primary room. Decent sized closet, double door with the accordion doors. And a full size bathroom with a shower stall. Across the hallway, you have two more bedrooms. They are decent sized. Just standard size closets in both of those. Down the hallway and down the stairs. To the right, you have a large finished basement. Would be perfect for your bedroom. No weird corners, no openings, just a nice large room with outside access, so Solo could get outside very easily. A nice space that you guys could fence off for him. your standard full-size bathroom, bathtub, shower stall. Only one sink. Nice little space for solo. And then through here you have looks like a walk-in closet that you have to go through to get to the bedroom. So I'm thinking this could be his and hers closets, because you could have the smaller one and the larger one for Christy. Gotta have somewhere to put all your purses. Also downstairs you have the unfinished space in the basement that is the utility and laundry room. You have your water tank and your HVAC system. Along with the washer and dryer and the access to the shower stall of the bathroom.